Yep.
Good evening,
Hi.
sir.
Very good
Good
evening.
evening. Thank you for joining this session, sir. First of all, I, on behalf of the Literary Club of the IIT Misra Patna, would like to congratulate you on getting your first book published, Love, Swipe, and Blackmail. How are you
Thank you.
feeling
Thank you
about
so much.
it?
Very, very happy actually. It's a work which concluded over 3 years. It took me about 3 years to write the book.
That is a long time. Okay, sir. Can you tell us about this book? I have personally read such great reviews about it. It was rated, I think, 4.4 on Amazon, 4.2 on Goodreads, and it also shot to the number one bestseller on Amazon the week it was released itself.
Yeah, so I started writing the book in 2017. That is when my father was hospitalized. He was suffering from cancer and he was being treated for cancer. So, the way we scheduled his care between me and my mother was that my mother would be in the hospital during the day and I would be in the hospital during the night. So, in the night while he used to sleep, I used to write the book.
Okay, so sir, how long did it go on for? Did
Yeah,
did your
so as
father
I,
have an idea about this when you
uh,
were working on this
he,
book?
he, there was, he used to think that I was doing some office work.
Okay. Uh,
and and I never told him that I'm actually writing the book. So so he would tell me a lot of times that I should sleep, I should take rest, I shouldn't work so much, right? But I never told him that I wasn't working, I was writing a book.
okay. So he never got to know that you had this thing for writing. You wanted to be a writer. Did anyone
So
else from your family know?
no, I kept it from everyone in my family till the time the book was ready to be published.
Okay. And what about those people who helped you through it? Like, I
Uh,
read the acknowledgement part of your book. So many people had helped you through it.
Yeah, so first and foremost, my wife, her name is Nishi, right? So, she and I would have regular fights over how the story should be, right? And what sort of language I should use, right? So, initially, when I wrote the book, and you have to understand this, when we write the first draft, when you write a book, there are multiple drafts. There is a first draft, and then there's a second draft,
Yes.
and then there are improved versions, right? So, what I decided was that when I write the first draft is going to be straight from the heart. So whichever way the language comes and however I write, I just write, right? So that's what I did. And so in the initial draft, the language was very, very ornamental, right? And she said, look,
Okay.
this just can't go, right? So she said, either I'll disown you as a husband or the book doesn't go. So I obviously took her advice, and I showed it to a couple of people, friends and family, right? So they went through proofreading and they also advised me on certain aspects of the book, what could be done better. And some of the advice I really incorporated, Abhilasha. Some of it was really, really valuable.
Okay. So can you tell us how many drafts you discarded?
Oh
Because
God.
whenever we write
Um,
something, I think even I discard something more than 10 times. Because I write something and maybe अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, I throw it, again start writing. This is what happens all the time.
there were I don't know how many versions. I I honestly don't remember. Must have been at least about 7 or 8. Must have been at least that much.
Okay. Also,
See,
3 years
so
is a very long thing. So,
no, no. So I'll tell you how it happened, Abhilasha. First 4 or 5 were largely to put the language, or largely to get the language right, right? See, when boys converse amongst themselves, they converse in a certain way. Now that certain way is not the best way of writing a book, right? So to correct that, it took me some time. Then while I was writing the story, certain ideas came. So it is not that when we start writing, we have the entire story in our mind. We basically have the core of the story in the mind, right? And then we start building subplots around it. And as we write, sometimes fresh ideas do come. And when they do come, we incorporate that. Now, so let's say I'm on chapter 35 right now, and I'm writing something, and I realize that if this is what had happened in the past, it would reflect better now. So I go back, change it in the past, and then I track down all the related sequences in the book, change those as well. So, it's a mind-boggling experience.
Like a string, you go back and then the whole
Ah,
plot after that changes.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And I was not
So,
getting the perfect ending to the book. So this was in 2019, last year, early last year, somewhere in April, that me and a relative of mine, both of us, we went to Ladakh for a very short trip. It was a weekend trip. And while we were roaming around in Leh, just like a coincidence, or just say that from the heavens above, the end came to me like this, and that's how I was able to conclude the story.
okay, sir, can you tell us what was the main inspiration of this book? What brought you to write this? What happened?
Yeah, so I'll tell you how the idea came to my mind. This was again, as I told you, in 2017, before I had started writing the book. I was sitting in the hospital's canteen, right, and I was having some refreshment. And next to me, there were some young people, people just like you who were sitting and who were texting. And I honestly thought maybe it's WhatsApp, right? Maybe it's some other version of WhatsApp. But it was a dating app. And I kind of did a sneak peek. तो मैं ऐसे पूरा घुस के देख रहा था, and it wasn't good. It's not good to peep into other people's conversations, no. But it was interesting. I mean, looking at that kind of a user interface, I was like, ये तो मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं,
Something
कभी
new.
यूज भी नहीं. Yeah, absolutely. नहीं, ये ऐसा क्या है जो मेरे पास नहीं है और इसके पास है. दूसरे के पास कुछ होता है, दूसरे के पास कुछ होता है तो ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है ना. तो मैंने कहा ये तो देखना पड़ेगा. So then I realized what is happening, and I realized it is not good to peep into that. And I have younger cousins, right? Cousins who are in. So we've got a very big family on both my father's and my mother's side. So I have cousins who are in 20s, I have cousins who are in 30s, and I have cousins who are in 40s and 50s also, right? So the younger ones who are in the 20s, I asked them about this dating app, and some of them were embarrassed. So I knew that they were definitely on this, right? And that I checked with them as to what happens and how it happens. And truth be told, I also downloaded the app. I kind of hovered around and I figured out what happens and how it happens. And then the story kind of popped into my head.
So while when you were asking your cousins about it, downloading the app to see for yourself, see what is
Hmm.
this about? So at
Hmm.
that time, were you doing it just out of curiosity, or did you think that yeah, I can make a plot of this for a book?
So, when I saw those young people chatting on the app, and when I went back and spoke with my cousins, and when they told me about, what these apps are all about, the story actually came into my mind at that time. I would say the core part of the story, the core plot came into my mind at that time. And then when I downloaded the app, I thought, we could build a nice plot with multiple subplots in it. So that's what I've attempted in my book.
So the first thing which came into your mind was the plot.
Yeah.
So I've seen that most of the plot of books, even movies, they are most of them are either plot driven or character driven.
Hmm.
So I guess from what you're saying, your book is mostly plot driven. Am I right?
You're right. So mostly it is plot driven, and most of my characters are structured around the plot.
Okay. So since the main inspiration you got from your experience was for the plot, how did you manage to put strong characters in the book?
Yeah, so that's a very good question. It's a very, very good question, and this is the first time that this question has been asked. So let me answer this question in all honesty and give you a perspective. See, when I was writing, this book, right, in my mind, there were certain tricky situations that came, right? So it was like, what if this happens? How would the character react? Now, I didn't have any background on it, right? So how would the character react? How would I think? So the way I thought was, I started thinking about some of my very close friends, my best friends, right? And I thought that if he or she was in a situation like this, how would they react, right? या अगर मैं इसमें होता तो how would I react? So that is how I built on it. Mm, you know,
So yeah, while thinking about it, the characters this way, you must have associated some of your characters to some of the people you personally know. Most of the
Yeah,
writers,
partly. No,
most of the
you're right.
writers do this.
Yes, yes, absolutely. It happens like that only. You are absolutely right. I did relate.
So maybe the female character was like her thought process was like one of his friends or cousins, something like that.
You can keep on guessing. So that's something which I've never revealed.
Okay, okay. Uh, okay, sir, can you tell me, while writing this book, what different sorts of challenges, obviously apart from the characters or the plot,
Hmm.
did you face? Any kind of challenge while writing a book for the first time? Many aspiring writers are watching this live session. Most of them are from the literary club itself.
Mhm.
So I think that will be very beneficial to them.
Okay, so the first challenge came when my dad's situation worsened. So he was in the hospital for almost a year, in and out of the hospital, right? So obviously, a lot of times the focus would go on to him than the book. At the same time, I used to be pretty excited about writing the book, right? So the first challenge was how to balance both. And obviously, when your loved one is battling a very serious disease like that and in the hospital, he or she becomes a priority and not anything else that you're doing, right? So the first challenge was to stay on the course and attend to him, but also, keep on working on the book. The second was when he passed away. So for about 5 6 months, I didn't touch the book. I didn't write. Um, it was not that it was because of any sadness. Passing away is something that happens. Right? It's just that life sort of meandered in a different way, right? A lot of other things which I was not able to focus on while my dad was there. I had to focus on those and streamline those things in my life. So that was also done. Then the issue was, see, in a way it's a simple story, right? There is a couple, and so what's the core of the story? The core of the story is that there is a couple, right? Ravi and Vandy, and both of their families agree for their marriage, and yet there is something missing in their relationship, for which Ravi starts using a dating app, and he tries to go on a misadventure, right? Adventure or a misadventure, right? Now, how do you build interesting subplots around it? That becomes very very difficult. So I used to be continuously on my toes. Continuously I would keep on thinking कि क्या ऐसा ऐसा मसाला इसमें डाल सकते हैं कि कहानी भी चलती रहे और बोरिंग भी ना लगे, right? So I had to read a lot about how dating apps are. I had to even some people, so this was very interesting, Abhilasha. Some people did send me a connect. I didn't know what to do with it.
Okay.
Right. So what I would do is I would just answer simple questions. Hi, hi, how are you? I'm good. I'm fine. Blah blah blah. But nothing beyond that, right? Because I didn't want anyone to get serious, right? So I mean, those
Did
kind of
you
things
tell
happen.
he, I'm using this just for my writing?
No, no, I didn't. I would just tell them that look, I'm so and so, and I'm based in this city, and I'm just here to see what this app is all about. That's all that I would write. I would write nothing serious, nothing ludicrous, nothing of the sort.
Okay.
But I'll tell you what,
Uh,
Abhilasha. So, a lot of people write about their profile on the app, right?
yes.
They write what they are about, what is it that they're looking for, or what is it that they
Bio.
do. Yeah, precisely. So from there, I got a lot of ideas. कि ऐसे भी character हैं, तो this is how the story can be built up.
Yes. Mostly, you could have easily got what abhi ke generation, what they're into, what they're like, what they want to show on their profile.
Hmm.
This must have been some small inspirations you could put in the book. Okay. Next, I would like to ask you,
Yeah.
what was one of the most surprising things in your book? It can be anything related to a plot or a character, not the climax part. That would be a spoiler for us.
नहीं
But
तो
but
वो
anything surprising which you got from it.
देखो वो अगर मैं वैसे भी कुछ भी बताऊंगा which is anything surprising, so that will be a spoiler only.
Oh, no, it can be from your experience also. That would not be a
It can
spoiler.
it can be something like
From your experience, on experience. वैसे तो
Okay, so
this inspiration was itself a shock to you. You did not
yeah,
know what it is about.
yeah, absolutely. So
Apart
as I
from
said,
that was
mm,
obviously shocking. I can read it from your face. But apart from that, anything
um,
shocking which you face?
shocking to nahi, but personally to me, it was surprising that I could write a book. I never thought of myself as an author. पर जब ये आइडिया मेरे दिमाग में आया अभिलाषा तो आई न्यू दैट आई हैड टू राइट दिस वाज अ कंपेलिंग आइडिया दिस वाज अ वेरी वेरी कंपेलिंग आइडिया एंड शुरू में जिसके साथ भी मैंने शेयर किया एवरीवन वाज ऑफ दिस व्यू दैट या द आइडिया इज ब्रिलियंट इज जस्ट दैट हाउ डू यू राइट ऑन दिस
So you never thought of being a, you just said you never thought of writing a book, but this idea was so good that you had to write it.
या
So you never
एब्सोल्युटली आई
thought you would write something. You
नो
never
आई
had a
नेवर
thing for writing.
no. I had never thought of being an author, but the idea was so compelling that I wrote this one, right? And now, by the way, let me share this with you. I already have ideas for my next 4 books.
Next 4 books. Oh my God,
Absolutely.
that's
Absolutely.
great. That is great. We never even get idea of one single book.
अभी देखो तुम धीरे धीरे तजुर्बे करोगे जिंदगी में तो तुम भी सोच लोगे कि कैसे लिखना है क्या लिखना है इट्स जस्ट अबाउट लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस नथिंग एल्स
So do you just want to put original life experiences in your book or something the audience wants?
नो
I
सो
think
दीस
your
वाज
book is somewhat in the middle of this. Even you got, very inspired from it, and I think that is what the generation wants also.
या सो
It is mostly
यू
for
नो
youngsters.
Yeah, precisely. So I would say that none of the incidents which I've written in the book are my personal experiences. They are actually not. They are also not the experiences of those whom I spoke with, right? But these are something which can, I mean, if you when you read the book, ये जो मैंने लिखा है वो ऐसा है जो किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है. So it's very very relatable, right? And I'm telling you अभिलाषा, ये ज्यादातर आइडियाज मेरे को लोगों के बायो पढ़ के आए हैं. लोग खुद अपने बारे में रिवील करते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे आपको पूछने की जरूरत नहीं होती है लोग खुद रिवील करते हैं
I think इसके बाद सारे viewers जाके अपनी bio change करेंगे.
Absolutely.
They are revealing too much about themselves.
And I just saw a comment by Kishlay Sinha. He's saying that well said, experience is the best teacher. It's a fact. Experience is the best teacher. कोई doubt ही नहीं है उसमें.
So can you give us a hint about what your next 4 books will be?
One is going to be a
Not
political thriller.
not the whole
No, sure, sure.
political.
So one is going to be a political thriller. See, in all my books, there is going to be definitely an element of romance, and there is going to be an element of thrill, right? I don't want to write slow-paced stories. They have to be fast, and they've got to give you some thrill, right? पेज टर्नर होना चाहिए तो मतलब जब कोई पढ़ रहा हो तो उसको ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि अभी आगे पढ़ो यार जल्दी मतलब आगे क्या है तो ऐसा स्पीड तेज होना चाहिए सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट
So it
अ
is especially for impatient people like me. I
नो
tend to read books in a single day because I can't, I can't say कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. I just have to complete it.
So it's not about impatient. It's for anyone who just loves to. But yeah, I mean, if someone like you is reading the book, so I received a couple of DMs from I would say people like you who are quick reader and fast readers. तो कई लोगों ने मेरे को बोला कि उन्होंने एक दिन के अंदर ही किताब खत्म कर दी थी ये पूरी. So I was very happy to know that.
Okay, it's as you're saying कि your the book you write mostly will have thrill. It will have
Devesh
thrills in
Pratap is
it.
very
Even
happy
this
that I'm
book.
writing political thriller. I just saw a comment by some Devesh Pratap, and there is Tushar Raj. So he's saying keeping the
Devang.
reader stick. So absolutely, that's what I intend to do. Keep stick. I mean, रीडर जो है वो बुक के साथ चिपक जाने चाहिए तो ऐसा लिखो कि मजा है ना मतलब वो छोड़ ना सके बुक को
Yes. So since you're saying कि mostly you like to throw thrilling plots into
हम्म
your book. So what? Why thriller? Do you have a special kind of liking for thriller?
yeah there's a shock value to thrillers right
So what
So
what other kind of thrillers do you like?
when you read something जो आपने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया होता एंड इट शॉक्स यू, मजा आता है ना पढ़ के कि वो मतलब ऐसा भी है. तो
What can you
खुर्शीद,
share what kind of thrillers have you read?
so before I answer that, I just saw a text from Khurshid. He's saying political thriller waiting, sir. So Khurshid, I am also waiting. I'll definitely write it soon, and let's see how soon I can actually publish that. Okay, and coming back to the question, you are saying what kind of thrillers I have read. Okay, so my reading genre is very different from my writing genre. Okay, what I have read is about history, military, and strategy. So these are and astrophysics. Yeah, and I love astrophysics, right? So these are the kind of things which I read. So मैंने देवदत्त पटनायक को बहुत पढ़ा है. There are authors, मैं उनको आपके नाम बताता हूँ. लैरी कॉलिंस एंड डोमिनिक लेपियर, अगर आप लोगों ने इनका नाम सुना हो. लैरी कॉलिंस और दूसरे हैं डोमिनिक लेपियर. So one of the books that they had written was Is Paris Burning? It's a historical thriller. It's a factual thriller, right? So this is about Second World War. जब हिटलर ने जनरल डाइट्रिक वॉन शोल्टिट्ज को बोला था कि आप पेरिस को जला दो. So at one point in time, Hitler called the general von Scholtitz and asked him, "Is Paris burning?" Right? So वो पूरी किताब उसके ऊपर लिखी है. The other book which I really liked was O Jerusalem. So this is about making of Israel, जो again Larry Collins and Dominic Lapierre ने लिखी है. The third book of theirs which I really loved was Freedom at Midnight, and I think it's a beautiful book. अभिलाषा, हमारी जो 1947 में जो हमको आजादी मिली, ये किताब उससे एक साल पहले से शुरू होती है. And step wise, you know, the book mentions what kind of things happened. And what this book tells you is something which is not easily available in our history books. You must read it. It's such a political thriller. It'll knock you off your feet. It'll absolutely knock you off your feet. But you
I
know,
will
the best thrill,
definitely read it.
please do that. But the best thrill, you know, which I get is out of astrophysics. There is so much about the solar system and the universe that we don't know, right? Which I get to know by watching programs on Discovery Channel or National Geographic, right? Or now on Netflix and Amazon. It's brilliant. It's amazing.
Okay. Sir, I remember when I was talking to you regarding this session, regarding conducting this session, you told me fear of waterhead. There are
Yes, I
many
am.
waterheads watching this session. Can you tell us what you like about this book?
About the Harry Potter series?
Yes.
Yeah, so I'll tell you. I was introduced to Harry Potter by my sister, by my younger sister, okay? And तो एक दिन उसने आके बोला कि ये बुक पढ़ो. तो मैंने कहा क्या बकवास है यार, हैरी पॉटर कौन पढ़ेगा, इट्स अ फैंटेसी, मैं क्यों पढ़ूं, फालतू का क्या, वो डंडा लेके बच्चे लोग ऐसे ऐसे करते रहते हैं. इट डजंट हैपन लाइक दैट. So she made a very interesting observation. She said, okay, do one thing. I'll give you the first book in the Harry Potter series, right? Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. And she said, तू इसका पहला पेज पढ़, अगर तेरे को ना अच्छा लगे तो छोड़ देना. And Abhilasha, I started from the first page of the first book and I ended on the last page of the last book. It was such a captivating, thrilling series. You know, the thrill, absolutely. I mean, it's a page turner. You just can't leave it once you start reading it. So I'll share a very
I
interesting
had a
anecdote.
similar experience.
Okay, tell me, please.
No, any book of mostly if it is a fantasy or a science fiction.
Hmm.
So I start on the first page and I end on the last page.
Hmm.
I can even sacrifice my sleep for it. I won't
Yeah.
care.
No, so I
If the
was going
light
to.
is turned off, I will use a torch and still read the book.
I was going to tell you a similar stuff. You know, the anecdote was that so when I started reading Harry Potter, we used to live in Bangalore, right? And so one fine night, okay, when my wife had slept, मैं हैरी पॉटर की किताब लेके भाग गया and मैं दूसरे कमरे में बैठ के पढ़ रहा था. And she must have gotten up, right? And she saw that I wasn't lying next to her. फिर उसने थोड़ा इधर उधर देखा तो एक दरवाजे के नीचे से लाइट रोशनी आती हुई दिखाई दी. So, she came in and she said, "What are you doing?" I said, "I'm reading Harry Potter." So she said, "You could come back and read." I said, "No, I didn't want to wake you up, but more importantly, I didn't want to be disturbed by you. तो तुम अपने जगह करते रहो, मेरे को हैरी पॉटर पढ़ने दो." So that was the thrill.
Yes. So audience are very excited. They're asking so many questions. I read one question from one of our
Please,
former club heads, Anyadha ma'am. She was
sure.
asking, "What can you give her a few recommendations about books on astrophysics?"
Okay, so one which you can read is A Brief History of Time, which is by Professor Stephen Hawking.
That
Right?
is a
So,
very great book. I
oh,
just
it's an
started it a
amazing.
few days ago. Just started it.
So it's a scientific non-fiction thriller. It's amazing. It's really amazing. So there are certain parts to it which are little difficult to understand. But if you have some grounding in science, right, and you do some research while reading the book, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, बट थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है उसको समझने में. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है. That apart, mostly I've gained my knowledge on astrophysics by watching documentaries on National Geographic and Discovery. I have the full universe series with me, so I keep on watching and repeating it.
Okay, so we have one more question here.
Please.
Devansh Pratap is asking, what do you feel like it's most important to have? Strong characters or mind-blowing plot twists or epic setting?
So actually, any of these. Actually, any of these. But you know what, Abhilasha? If you have a very strong plot, right, you'll obviously build your characters around it. And you
Yes,
have to understand that in a story, in any story, every character will not be super strong. फिर वो स्टोरी बनानी
that,
थोड़ी मुश्किल हो
yeah.
जाती है, राइट?
The characters have to be, different kind of people. Uh, for example,
They
in
have to be
most of
they have
the,
to be well thought through. They have to be well thought through, and you're right. Different kind of people, as in they have to be complementing each other, right?
yes,
They,
exactly.
they have to be strongly built, but every character need not be equally strong.
Yes, we see that in actually every book. Even if it's a children's book, a group of friends is there. So one is the intelligent one, one is the caring one is the a joke cracker. That
Hmm.
sort of characters. So I
I
think it's
just
a mixture.
I just saw a question from somebody called Shivam Raj. I think he had asked me if I've read some book he mentioned. So, Shivam, if you're still around, if you can ask about that book once again. I think he wrote about the theory of everything. So, I haven't read the theory of everything, but I've seen the movie Theory of Everything. It's again around Professor Stephen Hawking. And guys, while we are at it, if you watched The Big Bang Theory, right? If you watch the Big Bang Theory, you'll actually love it. There are times in there are certain episodes in which Professor Stephen Hawking himself makes an appearance. And while it's a comic series, in that comic series, there is a lot of physics which is getting discussed. A lot of physics gets discussed. So I think you'll love that series. Yeah, Shivam, I picked up this point, The Theory of Everything by Stephen Hawking. Absolutely. Okay,
I
Anyada
think
is saying that yes, we did watch Big Bang Theory. Very good, very good. It's a good show. It's a very good show.
I think someone here was asking whether you have read books of Dan Brown.
Whether I have?
Read books of Dan Brown.
Yes, I have. I have. He's
Actually,
a
yeah,
he's a
very
titan.
thrilling. Those books are very thrilling too.
Yeah. Da Vinci Code, Angels and Demons.
Yeah, Da Vinci Code. Yeah, actually, that is my favorite.
Hmm.
Da Vinci Code is my favorite. Adil sir is asking, while writing a
Hmm.
book or a story, there might be a point where you have sort of mind block, like you just can't write or just can't think.
Hmm.
If it sort of happens to you, how do you get past it?
Yeah, Anubhav, Bazinga to you too. Anubhav has just written Bazinga, so Bazinga to him as well. Okay, so the question I understood, Abhilasha, and in fact, sometime back I had given a anecdote on that I was stuck for a very, very long time on how to end my book, right?
Yeah.
I was just not getting the idea. So, I would meditate over it. I would focus myself completely over it, and I would think lot many times about it. And there's something which I've learned from experience, and something which I've learned from reading good quality stuff, that when you meditate and when you think over a certain issue or focus over a certain issue for long, what happens is that from your conscious mind, the idea starts getting into your subconscious mind, right? Now, when you leave your subconscious mind with a query or a riddle, the subconscious mind starts working in the background. It always works in the background. The conscious mind is working only while you are awake. The subconscious mind is working 24 by 7 by 365, right? So I think when the idea came to me, that was a product of the subconscious mind actually telling my conscious mind that, hello, this is what you should write. And I'll tell you what, there is not a single person who knows me, who's read my book, has come back to me asking that one same question when they read the last chapter, saying कि ये तेरी कहानी है क्या? सच सच बता. Everybody is felt like that, and when you read the book, you'll know why they asked me that question. So I can't give the spoiler on it right now. But truth be told, ये मेरी कहानी नहीं है. Some of the characters are built like the way I behave. So people who know me would obviously think कि ये मेरी कहानी है, but ये मेरी कहानी नहीं है.
Yes, I think that happens with most of the authors. People start associating their characters, the plot characters, with the person himself.
They do.
So when they see it's just the opposite, they find it kind of surprising. Ki you are this kind of person. How can you think it from this person's aspect? That is very surprising for them.
No. So I'll tell you, we have a WhatsApp group of our classmates from school. We have WhatsApp group of our classmates from college, and WhatsApp group of our classmates from my PG, right? And हर क्लास ग्रुप में ना लोगों ने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया है कि राज ये है, रवि वो है, भानु ये है, right? So that's the beautiful part.
Yeah, that happens. So we'll take
Okay, so
another
Devansh is asking
question.
me if I have any writing buddies. No, Devansh, I don't have any writing buddies.
So what- let's take a few more questions. Can you drop
Please.
in a few more questions, guys, quickly?
And we might have missed a few questions. So if you guys want to ask again, you can please type. Okay,
Someone
so
is saying because the characters are relatable.
yeah.
They
So
must be
that
actually since
no.
the
So
characters
Abhilasha,
are
this is my friend. Her name is Deepti, and she's also read the book, right? And therefore, she's writing that the characters are absolutely real and relatable. Thank you, Shivam. That's a good comment.
Anas is
Okay.
asking, so you mentioned Is Paris Burning? Your comments on that book.
Yeah, let me first say thank you to Ishprad first. He's saying you are so cool. I'll definitely read your book now. Thank you, Ishprad. Please do read and please do spread the word if you like the book. Now to answer Anas, is Paris Burning is a flawless depiction of a piece of history which happened in Second World War. I think it's a brilliant book. If you like wars, if you like history, you will not be able to sleep till you finish the book. It's so amazing. The research is brilliant. It's deep. It's brilliant.
Someone is asking, what was the hardest part of writing your author bio? Devansh is asking.
My author bio. It was much easier than
Why?
writing the book. So in writing my author bio, there was nothing difficult actually. It was about me. Much easier than writing the book.
Another question we have, Anidha ma'am is asking,
Hmm.
was there any time when you were sort of frustrated writing, or was there any point you wanted to just stop for a while in the period of 3 years? If yes, how do you keep yourself going?
There was no time when I felt like I shouldn't be writing anymore or I was frustrating in writing. But yeah, I was not getting the perfect ending. And I think I grappled with it for about 2, 3 months. Right? I had different ideas, coming into my mind, but none of them was that I would call perfect, right? So I had to really wait for that long. So I think that was the most challenging, or call it frustrating, call it whatever. But that was it, nothing else.
Okay, one more question.
Sure.
Two more questions. Can we take this? I think it is about time. Do you like crime thriller like Sherlock? Your views on it. Do
Why
you
I
want
love
to write on such genre?
I love Sherlock. I have seen the Sherlock series by Benedict Cumberbatch at least 4 times, and yes, I like this genre, and yes, I'm going to write on it. So, as I was telling you, Abhilasha, there is a political thriller, there is a crime thriller, and there is a spiritual thriller, which are already on the way.
I think I've never read a spiritual thriller.
Yeah, wait and watch.
I will
Wait
read
and
it.
watch.
Someone is
Okay,
asking,
so
Adit is asking,
Adi Kashyap is
what's
asking, do you expect
motivation?
a web series based on the book? Okay, so I have got this feedback from a lot of people that the book is ready to be converted into a web series. And I would love to see it one day, right? But obviously, that choice is not mine. That is for people who make the web series to pick it up. If you guys create enough noise that you want to see a web series on this, I'm sure some director will pick it up.
Someone is asking, Adil sir is asking, who's your motivation, like in the world of books?
In the world of writing, Um, so, not motivation, but I would say the way Larry Collins and Dominic Lapierre have written their books, that has inspired me quite a lot. I mean, I think if you read their books, you'll know what I'm saying. They're beautifully structured, brilliantly structured. And of course, J.K.
Okay,
Rowling, Harry Potter.
that is our dream.
Yep.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir, do
Ankita.
you have anything you want to say to us?
Yeah, there is
Any tips
something
you
which
would like to give?
no, not tip, but there is something which I want to share with all of you young friends over here. That this is something which I have decided on my own. That for every 10 paperbacks sold, I am going to plant a tree.
That is a very great initiative from your point. That's very
Thank
great
you.
initiative.
Thank you.
I think this is very inspiring in this whole session. This is one of the most inspiring things we have said. We're lagging very too much back on environmental issues. This is a very threatening thing.
Yeah, absolutely,
Uh,
absolutely. And while that is I'm going to start from there, which is planting one tree for every 10 paperback versions sold. That is not where I'm going to stop. My dream is to actually plant 1 billion trees in the country. And once 1 billion trees are planted, the next billion and the next billion. So I'll not stop planting trees.
one more question, sir. Where will you plant trees? Let us.
No, so Avilasha,
Do
there
you
is
have
enough.
so much space?
No. So I'll tell you what. There is enough and more land in our country. There is enough and more land where we can plant trees. Have you heard of this person called Jaydev Payeng?
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, I was about to ask about him. Yeah, he
So
has, I think, plant, I don't know the exact number, but millions of trees that was planted. That is very inspiring.
he has planted a forest where elephants come for breeding. Right, so nobody can count the number of trees he's planted. Just no one knows the number of trees he's planted, right? And I'm telling you, we are a vast country, we are a huge country. There is no limit to earth or ground that we have. And even if it involves planting more trees in the forests which are already dense, I don't mind making them denser. I'll do that.
Sir, one last question.
Sure. An-
You want? Yeah, Anand.
Anyada's question
Anand
was
is
that hope
asking.
will be connected to you after this. Yes, absolutely, Anyada. We can all connect up, no problem at all.
And one more question, sir. Anand is
Sure.
asking, Anand is Kushik,
Hmm.
where and how should we start if we aspire to write a book?
So, Anas, think of an idea on which either people have not written before or people have written but the last word hasn't yet been spoken, right? And start your thought process from there.
Okay. I think we took so many questions. The session has been going on for about 45 minutes.
Yep.
Anything else you would like to say, sir?
Enjoy life, live it to the fullest. Wear a mask and then don't care about corona, but please do wear a mask.
Okay. So before
Yeah,
we
Tushar,
wrap it up,
let me just
yeah.
answer Tushar's question. I think he's asked it again. Can writing be called a hobby or it's a skill left alone? Tushar, it is a way you look at it. If you look at it as a hobby, if you're a blogger and you blog, you know it's a hobby. But when you are serious into it, so serious that you are either earning your bread out of it or you're affecting millions, then it's a skill. Thank you,
Devansh is saying
Devansh.
this is the
That's
best 45 minutes spent during this lockdown.
yeah. So Devansh, read
Okay,
my book.
sir,
That'll be the best 5 hours that you do in this lockdown.
before we wrap it up, sir, we would like to thank you. I would like to thank you on behalf of the Literary Club and our whole college, especially those who are watching this live session right now. Thank you for connecting with us, and we would like to wish you all the best, sir, for your future successes and the next 4 books. We are looking also forward to it. We're very excited
Definitely.
to it. As some people said in the comments, they're very actually even I've never read a spiritual thriller. That would be very that would be something new for me. I would also be looking forward to it. I would also like to tell you that the whole literary club has been looking forward to it since the time you communicated with us regarding this live session. So I would like to thank everyone watching this. Thank you, sir, for connecting with us, and thank you, literary club members. Especially, I would like to list out their names: Anas, Shayan, Shivam, Ishan, Sayyad, Nitika, Mehvish, Ovinil, Shubhamanand, Shubham Mishra, Himanshu, and all the juniors. They have done a great job in advertising this throughout their college, their
Thank you.
friends. Uh,
Thank you.
each one of their WhatsApp statuses was your book's trailer. I
Thank
have
you.
I
Thank you
have
so much.
watched that video in people's status, I think more than 20 times.
Thank you. Thank
I,
you.
I
Thanks
even
so much.
remember the sequence, everything, how the trailer starts and how it ends. I have watched it so many times on their statuses. I would also like to thank our former heads, especially Anidha ma'am, Pranita ma'am, Adarsh sir. As you know, sir,
Mhm.
they have been asking questions in the comments also. They have been very supportive of us
Correct.
for this live session. And I would also like to thank other club members watching this, all the other live members, even sir, people from your side, as you said, your friends are watching. Thank you, thanks a lot. This was such a wonderful evening. We got so many new things to learn, so many experience about you, and also I think many people are looking forward to your book. All the best for it.
Thank you. And I would say much love to all of you. All the best. Live your life to the fullest. Campus days are the best, guys. Honestly, they are the best. You never get these days back. The kind of friendships you make now, they will last you for a lifetime. And for all you know, a lot of book writing inspiration and book writing ideas to you will come from these days only.
Yes, that is right. Actually, most of the time, something happens, and we are like, especially even me, I don't write fiction, but
Mhm.
sometimes I'm like, yeah, this can be a very good plot for a book. So many of things happen on campus. Engineering colleges are full of it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So before we part ways, during my graduation days, so I graduated from IHM Bangalore. I'm a hotel management graduate, right? And thereafter, I did my master's in personnel management from SIBM Pune. There are so many experiences that I can write at least 5 books going back just to my college days and my PG days.
I think the biggest inspiration comes from, as someone already said, from our own experiences.
Correct, correct. Correct.
if we collect it, we can have something we can write a book upon. If someone
Absolutely.
is thinking कुछ लिखना है, so experiences
Absolutely.
are the first thing.
Absolutely. 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 No doubt.
It has been a very great evening, sir. Thank you for connecting with us. We look forward to one more session like this in the near future.
Yeah, why not? Absolutely. कभी भी पकड़ लेना मेरे को.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Guys,
you.
please drop in the comment section. Please drop in your experiences about this session. Then we can wrap it up. Everybody is saying you're inspired us a lot. We're waiting for all of your books.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'll.
even me.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for saying that. That motivates me like nothing else.
Okay, thank you, sir. I
You're
think we
welcome.
can wrap the session now.
Yes, we can.
Okay, you
Thank
can.
you.
Uh, thank you, sir.
Thank you.